Hi, it's Marina from Frameright. In this tutorial, I will show you what it means when you see an extra collection set called existing crops. I will open an image file to show you what I mean. And here you see the existing crops appeared. This was because this image file had crops defined that were not included in my collection items. And all the crops that fit with the current collections are visible accordingly. If you want to remove some of the crops, then just untick the boxes and save the image, and they won't be included in the file anymore. So there's nothing specific you need to do about the existing crops. I just figured it's good for you to know what it means when it appears. I personally would use that as a message from the creator or someone else who has worked with the image before, how they maybe intended the image to be used. And if possible, use that as a guideline. And if that fits the story and the purpose, that's actually a really cool thing to have in the picture.